Hi everyone, I'm Olajuwon Ismail, and this is Scaffold AI. This is an AI that solves a problem that I'm pretty sure we're all familiar with. Spending time organizing your notes, your study notes. It's not about being a student is that you learn from multiple sources, you learn from YouTube, you learn from textbooks, you learn from your notes, you learn from other people's notes, you learn from websites, you learn from your lecturer's notes. And that's very confusing. It's very hard to manage all it into one place. So I created Scaffold AI to help you make them into one place. But then you also look at the personalization gap. Study tools treat everybody the same. Like I'm a fast learner, you might be a slow learner, and it's the two won't feel the same for us. So I created study tool AI, but also to cater for that use as well. To make the app the to make the teaching practice usable for individuals of different learning speed. It asks a little about your background, so you can take that into context of how the way it's teaching you. And this is not just random info. I got this info from sources across the web, Reddit, Quora, different forums. I scraped data from them and I found some insightful data which told me which told me about this problem. This is not a new problem. And computers often fail to deliver the mark between AI tutoring, notes management, and personalized quizzes. Of course, we have ChatGPT that's helped us that tutors. We have Quizly for quizzes, and we have Notion for notes management. But no tool gives us that full package together. This is Scaffold AI, your unified learning OS, online service that is. So we have you can upload anywhere, and it's automatically get outline from all your sources. Personalized difficulty depends on how familiar you are with topics. Adaptive quiz adapt to your progress. If you fail one, it will start the memory that you failed that one. And an AI chatbot tutor to help you to clarify your opinions and clear your doubts from chaos to clarity. Here's how it works. Scaffold AI uses advanced AI to streamline your processes. Those ingestion can upload different formats. Currently, we access PDF, but we plan to extend into other formats such as YouTube links, web pages, um, diagrams, but like heavy diagram textbooks like biology textbooks and many more. And you also personalize the slides to your level and give as well adaptive quizzes. As I said earlier, adaptive quizzes that adapt to the amount of questions you feel, and an AI chatbot tutor as context aware. This is how we built it. So built with Next.js for a fast responsive UI, and the backend uses Fast API for its core logic. On the AI ML, we, we plan to use GPT-4, but currently we use Gemini AI because that is more available. LangChain is used for the file processing. For data and storage, we use Postgres for user data, Pinecone or ChromaDB for embeddings. The market opportunity. We have a total addressable market of $5.6 billion by 2034. Saleable, a saleable addressable market of $12 billion by projected to reach by 2024. And this is the team. I'm Alan Ismail, a full stack developer, and here's our roadmap. We've currently have an open waitlist with over 200 signups. By month three, I intend to integrate Canva or Blackboard LMS for the for the learning for the slides, and by month six, I plan to launch the tutor mode as voice to voice teaching for students. Scaffold AI doesn't just reorganize notes. It's unlock zip learning. We're not building on that notes app. Or rebuilding how students learn. This is a new product in the AI market. Hmm. All right. We sign up for this. Then, okay, personalize your learning. This is just something we ask to help you to personalize the experience, to tailor the experience towards your interest. Okay, I'm a fan of soccer, so I like soccer. How fast you learn? When take all the way down, right? And I want to create a course. I want to call this. Okay, let me just go with the first name: complex analysis. I'm going to create a course. But yeah, first thing, so I'm going to upload the PDF. Okay, or a couple of study materials I have for this course. So like four or so. Right. So what it's doing here is summarizing these study files I have and creating its general study outline like I'll follow on. All right. So this is what we have: linear mapping theorem, application conformal mapping. Yeah, I've not read any of this one. Let's see how it goes. Right. So I'll go with yeah. Let me learn Riemann mapping theorem for this. Right. So that's not a lesson. Right, here you go. Okay, imagine you have a soccer ball, now you focus to host it. So basically all this does is create different slides that we can read to study. And over here we have the chatbots in case you're lost. As you can see, slide 1 out of 5. That's what we have so far. Okay, so yeah, and okay, let's go to this one, conformal mapping, the introduction. So yes, imagine okay, we've gone through this. So after each outline, okay, next. Yeah, there you go, more notes for us to use to understand this and help us summarize key points down below. Next, next, next. And I can take a quiz at this point. Alright, so actually I haven't sent anything, but let's see how I do on the quiz. What is from mapping? Uh, next question. I'm going to guess random for this. Okay, I filled a couple. Uh, codomain. Okay, alright. I filled I filled 3. So you can add option to retake the quiz or continue. And that's what we've built so far on Skiff Scaffold AI for now. That's what we have so far for Scaffold AI.